Jim King, back over here on our Oak Street project in Kansas City. Just checking on everything. We got the under drain, our French drain we're going to put in basically about 4 feet out from the house, all the way around the house. We're going to put that in at the same time we pier the house. The King pier holes are all complete except for 4 of them, and we'll get those finished up here shortly today. But it's coming along real good with all the rain we've had. The holes are pretty dry. A little bit of muck we got to get out of there, but everything's coming along good. Anybody out there, this month of April, we kind of started a 25% off all your foundation repair needs. That's epoxy injection. That's the King Pier 3-step epoxy injection. Foundation piers. If your house is sinking, give us a call. Saving 25% is literally thousands and thousands of dollars. So in the process of piering your whole house, that could make a huge difference on your bank account. And besides that, I believe you're getting the very best piering system money can buy. We don't go to bedrock, we create bedrock under your small, undersized footings that have sunk, which is why you called us. So if your wall's leaning in, that's very common. You got a lot of pressure on your wall. Sometimes you'll notice some cracks in your wall. Call us, and from the outside, if your basement's finished, unless the sheetrock is being pushed in, that makes it pretty obvious. Normally when your wall's leaning in, you have a load-bearing steel beam running horizontally through the center of your home. Generally that pokes through, so you might want to walk around your house and check and make sure you don't see no piece of broken concrete and a 8-inch I-beam or so sticking through there. That means your wall is leaning inward. And give us a call. We got a solution for it that will make it better than it ever was before after the repair. So for all your foundation piering needs, call us 816-288-4373. My son Matt will schedule a time for me to come out. I look at every one of these jobs that we do. So give him a call and we can set up a time, and I'll be at your house. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com. That's KINGPIERS.com. You can go to our Facebook page and get on there and see all of our videos. We post all of our videos, share them on there. If you want to share a video, that'd be super fantastic. You can also look at us on YouTube. YouTube is most of the people that I visit when I go to their house to look at their foundation, they say they seen us on YouTube. So if you happen to be a part of YouTube, get on there and check us out and give us a thumbs up and a subscribe, comment. We're the only piering contractor in Kansas City that videotapes our work of what we're doing. We love getting into the day of the lift and showing the cracks in the drywall and in the brick, closing back up the mortar joints that are broke, because it's all sitting on the wall and the wall sitting on the footing, and we lift the footing back up and everything just comes back together perfect. So give us a call. Like I said, we're running a special this month until the end of May, 25% off all foundation repair needs. 816-288-4373. Thank you.